Good morning, guys. Exciting news. In my hands, my dusty grinder. So I'm getting dust all over me. I have new adapters that work on grinders for CNC tooling. Part of my learning to develop tools was a lot of the tooling was for working with guys with hands. So most people do have hands, but you know what I mean. So I spent 15 years in San Diego where I developed a lot. I've studied how guys worked with their hand tools. And of course, during those 15 years, I worked out throughout Mexico, all the way down to Cabo San Lucas, where I went to all types of shops, like literally from SoCal, all the way down to parts through Mexico, on the guys using hand tools down there. And they were doing stuff with hand tools like you would see guys with CNC machinery, real artists, shaping stones, you name it. So I have now, in my hand, CNC adapters in reverse thread and regular thread. So now you can put on a grinder, 5/8 thread like this, half gas, and I have it in regular thread and reverse thread if you have either type of CNC tooling. So you screw this on like that, and I have new fluting tools in. So I have guys wanting to use the fluting tools that I did for CNC. They're like, you know what, Brent? Dude, make it on a grinder. We're going to do it by hand if we don't have a CNC. So I got it done. So I have it in reverse thread and regular thread. So you could buy any kind of CNC tooling, reverse thread, regular thread. So right now I put this one on, which I think it's the regular thread. We'll see. Then if not, I'll show you the other one. So it screws on like this. So this is half gas to the 5/8 adapter. I'm going to put this bad boy on. So that's the reverse thread. So I'm going to put this. So here's the reverse thread. Look at that. So the green CNC tooling is for reverse thread. That bad boy goes like that. Now the guys for hand can do their fluting without a CNC machine. Now I'm going to take this off. Real easy to push the button. Rolls off like this. Now, this is the regular thread. Put that like that. And then here's the new CNC fluting that I have in 3 sizes, 6mm, 8mm, and 12. And we put that on there like that. So, I'll also now make it for router bits. Any kind of router bit, I have an attachment for the router bits too. Now look at that, boys. So now, look at that, it flushes, it fits. See that little bevel on here? It makes a nice flush fit. Look at that. So now a dude with a hand grinder can go and work like a CNC machine. So, because like I said, in 15 years throughout Southern California, working all the way through Mexico, I've even worked in Peru, where there's guys that can do stuff by hand that have amazing skill level. So now I'm introducing adapters where they can put on CNC tooling or regular router bits. And this is going to one of my customers in San Diego right now to get a job done. Thanks for watching.